Hello and welcome to the MSTAR training session to issue a media to staff or students through OmviCards. Let us see the steps to do the same. Click on button MSTAR and select Module Library. The name of the module appears on the main screen, which means that you're now working in the library module. Click on button Activities and select the screen Issue Return Book. As the screen opens, it asks for selecting the correct library for which issue and return needs to be done. Click on the box and select the library in which the issue return needs to be done. And click on button Go. The name of the library appears on the main screen. After this, insert the card of the user to whom the library book needs to be issued. After inserting the card, click on the button Read OmviCard and it reads the OmviCard and displays the details of the respective user, whether student or employee, in the section. It is now displaying us the photo of the user, the OmviCard number, the member category, whether the user is an employee or student, the member ID, the name of the member, and member information such as department in case of employees, and in case of students it will display class and section. The process for issuing a media to a user will remain same irrespective whether the user is an employee or a student. After it reads the details of the user, the issue button is selected by default. So, in case we want to issue a book, we have to make sure that this circle against the text issue is highlighted. After this, select the media category against which the book or the media needs to be issued, and in the next box, select the school accession number from the list or select the system accession number from the accession number field, or in case you remember the accession number, the same can be entered. And press enter on the keyboard. As you enter the school accession number and press enter, it now displays the details of the book for which the accession number is entered. It is now displaying us the title of the book, the author's name, and the publisher's name. The book can also be searched by clicking on the button available next to the box where we have entered the school accession number. So click on this button. It will take a few moments to display the list of all the media available in the library. So a new window, Find Media, opens. You can now also select the name of the media or the book from this list and double click on any media name to display its details in the main screen. So now you have the book details displaying on the main screen and it is ready for issue. Remember that the name of the books will display in the screen only if they are available for issue. To simply issue this to the user whose card is inserted, click on button Save and the data saving confirmation message is received. Click OK on the confirmation message. The screen gets refreshed. And now let us check whether the book has been issued to the employee or not. For this, a simple method is to click on Return with the same user's card inserted and click on the media category and select the school accession number. You will now see that the school accession number will show only those media which have been issued to the user. Click on the Clear button to clear the screen. And now insert the card of another user to issue another book as required. Let us insert another card and check again. After inserting the card, click on Read OmviCard and it is now displaying the details of another user. Now let us again issue a book to this user. Select the media category. Before that, ensure that the issue text is highlighted. Select the accession number. It displays the details of the book. If the book is correct, click on the Save button and the book is now issued to the new user. Click OK on the data saving confirmation message. Now in the section again, issue return history for media, there is another option to check the history of a media based on the media. For this, you can click on return option, select a media category and click on the school accession number, which will show the list of all the books which is already issued to the selected employee. Select a book and it will display the history of that book being issued to the user in the section Issue Return History for Media or User. Click on the Clear button and now you can repeat the steps to issue media to another user. Thank you for watching this video.